Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Pag IBIG MP2 savings program. First, let's discuss what this is. The MP2 savings program is a voluntary savings program for members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends. This investment is government guaranteed and your earnings won't be taxed. Take note that only active Pag-ibig fund members and former Pag-ibig fund members with source of monthly income and or pensions regardless of age with at least an equivalent of 24 monthly savings. If you are not a member yet, simply go to this website www.pagibigfundservices.com and register. The link will be posted on the description. Now, let's walk you through the step-by-step process. The first step is to go to Pag-ibig's MP2 enrollment page, www.pagibigfundservices.com/mp2enrollment. Then, enter your Pag-ibig MID number. This is a 12-digit number issued to every registered member. Key in your last name, first name, and date of birth. Remember to enter your birthday in this format. Then, enter the code and hit submit. You will now be redirected to an online form. The details on the left are already pre-filled. The only fields you need to fill out are the ones on the right. For desired monthly contribution, you can start as little as 500 pesos. There's no limit how much you contribute. For preferred dividend payout, you can choose annual payout or 5-year and term. I personally chose the 5-year term for the sole reason that the earning is bigger. This is a sample computation we got from the website of the Embassy of the Philippines in Singapore. The MP2 dividend rate is at 6.96% per annum based on average dividend rate for the past 3 years. So, if you save 1,000 pesos per month, you'll get around 10,614 pesos for the annual dividend payout option. On the other hand, you'll get around 11,553 and 37 cents for the compounded savings option. That's almost 1,000 peso difference. There are three options for the mode of payment: salary deduction, over the counter, or through any accredited Pag-ibig collecting partners. The most convenient option is the last one since you can pay using GCash, 7-Eleven's Easy Pay, and a lot more. For the source of funds, select one from the options shown. Then, click Submit. After clicking Submit, Pag-ibig will ask you to print a form. Bring this form to any Pag-ibig branch and pay for your first contribution. Remember to bring a valid ID too. If you are a Loyalty Card Plus holder and you want to check if your payment was credited, go to Virtual Pag-ibig's website. The link is posted on the description as well. Then select Create Account, choose via your Loyalty Card Plus, fill in your Pag-ibig MID number, select Partner Bank, and enter the last 4 digits of the cash card number found at the reverse side of the card. Finally, click Proceed. Once your account is verified, log in to Virtual Pag-ibig. On the left sidebar, click MP2 Savings and you'll see the summary of your payments. Your payment will reflect in 3 to 5 days. Happy investing! I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See ya!